my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I'm going to do a little dekitting video for you today. So I have finished this wolf, which is one of the small paintings that I got from Homfun. So this one is 15 by 15. I haven't got a separate review video on it because I will be doing it as sort of a group with different small diamond paintings, but I am going to do a dekitting with you, so keep those dekitting videos coming. So first things first, I'm going to go through the colours against my Heaven and Earth designs, so that I any spares, because these are square diamonds, any spares that go with my Heaven and Earth designs I'm going to get rid of first. So 160 straight off in the tub, job done. Okay, 334. Okay, I'm going to fight with the labels later because obviously they're going to take a little bit more effort, but 334 is also one. If I can get them to go in without having to get my funnel out, just because it's always easier that way. I am just going to pull off the top just so that I know what I've done. I'll fight with the rest of the labels later. 340 is also in my Heaven and Earth designs. We're going well on the Heaven and Earth design so far, and 550 is as well. I know that for definite. Now, as you'll see, I do have a couple of pots empty here. They are ones that I no longer need for my Heaven and Earth designs. My chart has told me it has hit 0, so I've just emptied out the diamonds and put them back in with my normal spares. So on to the next one, 792. Now we don't have that one. 813 we do. So we've got quite a few that are appearing in this one so far. So 813, I'm going to take, say, most of the label off, because then I know when it comes to using my spares box where I'm up to. 823. We also, see if I can get these ones to fit in. This one is a lot fuller, but luckily this is a small painting, so because it's small there's never as many diamonds to dekit. Next up, pulling these all down off my shelf underneath. So next one, 930. We have that one as well. There's not going to be many going in my Heaven and Earth designs in this rate. Then we jump up. So this one I have kitted up in number order. There were other ones that I did where I didn't kit up in number order, so be a bit more entertaining when I dekit those, I'm sure. 3743. So that one is also in here. 3747. That one is 2, but that one looks extremely full. But I actually don't have that many. So rather than get my whole Heaven and Earth design spares box out, I'm cheating. 3752. How many colours in this one match at all? Nearly all of them. 3756. So that one's not. So let me remove these so I know which one I'm dealing with when I get to my spares. 3838. And say there are slight different colour variants with these, but I don't mind. I just go by the number they say and I throw them all in. And then we've got 3866, oh, and then 3839. I did put not in number order because it did go into the 2 pots when I originally started, but I don't have either of those. Okay, so we've not got many spares that I need to do. In fact, that one has gone in as well, so I've got 4 that need to go into my spares box. So start with 792. So I have recently redone my spares box, so these are 700 to 900. So I want 792. and then I'm going to pull out my bag of squares. Ooh. And I'll flip them all over the place when I opened it up and tip those in, and then I just try and make them as flat as possible before I close it up, and that just helps them store upright. And then the rest are 3000s. So I'll get my 3000s box, which is now a different colour. So those two are done. 3756. Okay, so this one is one that I have loads of. 3756. I have bags and bags and bags of these because it was in a painting I did from Ever Moment that had a lot of this colour. So I did end up with a gazillion spares of that colour, but we'll top those on the top. And then 3839, that's 29. 3839, that's actually one that I've not had before. So I'm going to create a new label. So 3839-S for square. And then I'm going to grab a baggie. I actually don't have any of my little paper insert pre-cut, so I'm going to be a rebel. I do need to go through and cut some more for using when I'm de-kitting, but I can't be bothered today. I might try and get some done ready for the next one. So 3839, yeah, we'll bob that one in, and then 3866, which is last number in the shop, and I already have that one bagged with a piece of paper in, so we'll bob that one in. Okay, I do have a funnel if I do need to use one for tipping into the bags, but I'm quite lazy and sometimes it's just easier to fight and pop them in. So that was quite an easy one in regards to de-kitting. There wasn't as many numbers. I can't remember exactly how many there was. What, 4, 8, 12, 15. So there's only 15 colours in this anyway. It's probably going to take me longer to peel off these labels than it is for me to have put most of the diamonds away. But we will take these small victories of de-kitting being quick as and when we can. I'm going to get all the labels off this so that my storage is ready for the next one. But yeah, join me. I'm going to keep doing these small diamond paintings. I'm going to do kitting up videos for them all and de-kitting videos for them all, and then of course I'll do the whole what a square painting looks like when it's finished for all the ones that I do, but this gives you a little sneak peek of what it looks like done. So that's probably the shortest de-kitting video I have ever done, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.